Hello everyone, welcome to WeBotApp. This is Pavan, and today in this class we will be discussing about choosing a cloud service provider and how to install the operating system on that cloud server. So let's get started. So here I have opened my Google, and here I will search cloud service provider. Cloud service provider list. And here I can see several cloud service provider list. Amazon AWS is also offering, which is one of the most popular cloud service providers. We can see Microsoft, Azure, we can see Google, we can see IBM, we can see Oracle, we can see Alibaba, we can see Red Hat, Heroku, we can see a list of cloud service providers over here. But if you're very new to this world of cloud computing, then I would definitely suggest you about DigitalOcean. So DigitalOcean is also a cloud service provider, and the interface that DigitalOcean will be providing you is very easy, very clean. All right, and we will click on the digitalocean.com. I will also be giving you the link of getting started, where you will get 60 days of free trial, and you will get around, I think, around $60 or $90 of credit. All right, now let's get started. So I have logged into my DigitalOcean account, and then here I will click on create. Let me click on create. A list of options have been shown now. I will have to now again click on droplets. So droplet simply means a cloud server. I will click on the droplet, and here I am able to see several options. The first thing that we have to do is to choose the region where we want our cloud server to be situated. All right, so here let me give you a nice idea about choosing the location. If you think your maximum of your clients will be from New York, then you can choose New York. If you think maximum of your clients will be from Germany, then you can choose Frankfurt. If you think maximum of your clients will be from India, then you can choose Bangalore. All right, so let us now choose Bangalore, and here I can see we have choose the data center which is situated at Bangalore. Now I have to choose the OS. We have already discussed what is OS. OS simply means operating system, and here we will be installing the Ubuntu operating system. Yes, we have several options: Fedora, Debian, CentOS, Alma Linux, Rocky Linux. All these operating systems are preloaded in my DigitalOcean account. We can simply install this operating system within one click. All right, any of them. And if we want to upload our own operating system, then we can go to our marketplace, and we can even buy the operating system from them, and we can even upload our own custom images, that ISO images. We can upload it over here. So let us now click on OS, and we will be installing the Ubuntu, and here we can see the version 24.10. Instead of 24.10, we will be installing the version 22.04. This is for some reason which I will be telling you in the later phase of this course. So now let us click on 22.04, and we have chosen the operating system Ubuntu, and we have chosen the version 22.04. I will go down, and here we have to choose the size. Here we can say shared CPU and dedicated CPU. Okay, if you choose the shared CPU, then the resources will be shared with a few more number of people, and if you choose a dedicated CPU, then the resources which will be allocated to you will only be shared with you. In this case, we will be checking the shared CPU, as I am doing it for testing purpose. But if you want to run a professional web hosting business, then I would definitely recommend you to choose the dedicated CPU. Even you can choose any other cloud service provider rather than DigitalOcean, but to get started, DigitalOcean would be the perfect choice for you. So let us now click on the basic CPU, and here I can see several options. The first option is regular processor. Next option is premium Intel processor, and the third option is premium AMD processor. Here we can see the disk type which they will be offering in this plan will be SSD, and in the second plan they will be providing NVMe SSD, which means non-volatile memory express units. And even here in the third plan, they will be providing us NVMe SSD. But for this time, I will be choosing regular. And here I can see they will be charging us $0.009 per hour. This means that for every hour we make our for each hour, for every hour we have to pay them $0.009 for every hour we use this server. And for 1 month we have to pay them $6. So let us now choose this plan. You can choose any plan as per your requirement. And then they have given us one more option to add more disk space. If we want to add more disk space in this operating system, in this server, we can click here and we can choose the amount of disk space we need. Let's say here we have received 25 GB of disk space, but if we want, instead of 25 GB, if we want 30 GB, then here I can buy additional 5 GB of disk space. All right, if I buy 5 GB of disk space in extra, then I have to pay them $0.5 every month for that extra 5 GB of space. So let us now delete it. Okay, next I will choose automatic format and mount so that I don't have to do anything. File system, I will be choosing ext. I will be removing the volume. And they also have automatic backup plan, which I won't be switching on. And then I have to create the root password. This is the password which you have to use in order to log into your system. So let us write here WEBOTA456 @ and let's say A. So this is the password which we have used to create this server, and now I will simply give it a name as test server and then click on the create droplet button. We have to wait for some time and it will automatically create the server. I can see the server is being created. Okay, and we have not received the IP address yet. We have to wait for like a minute or so. Boom. So here we can see we have received the server from them, and the IP address which we have received is this one, and 1 GB memory, 25 GB disk space, and the server is in Bangalore, and the operating system which we have used is 22.04 LTS. So we have successfully launched our first server, installed the operating system. In the next video, we will be learning how to log in into this server and upgrade the operating system. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more updates.